Magnolias are iconic and much loved shrubs and small trees. They produce wonderful either goblet or star-shaped flowers, and many of them have a lovely light scent. You get the deciduous forms and the evergreens. Now the deciduous forms tend to flower in spring, and the flowers usually emerge either before or just at the same time as the foliage appears as well. The evergreens produce these really dark, leathery foliage, and oftentimes they've got this sort of brownish reverse to it. And these are summer flowering, summer and into autumn. Big goblets, creamy goblets, absolutely spectacular. And the good thing with all the magnolias is the older they are, the more flowers you get. And some of the more mature specimens look absolutely stunning when in full bloom. They prefer a sheltered spot, so somewhere that's protected from either very cold and icy winds or early morning frosts, because oftentimes these spring flowering ones, if they're hit with a really hard frost, the flowers and even the buds can get damaged. And they don't need much pruning. The deciduous forms can be cut in late winter or early spring, and basically all you need to do is remove any crossing or damaged or dead branches that have appeared. Take them out late winter, early spring. These evergreen forms, all they need, if they need any at all, is a light trim in early mid-spring. The smaller forms will do really well in big pots, provided they're kept well fed and well watered. And these evergreen forms make very good wall train specimens. So these stems can just be tied into a support against the wall, and they'll grow beautifully flat with a bit of corrective pruning. So there we are, how to grow magnolias. They're well and truly worth it, highly recommended.